Hey guys, so if you want to add a discount code option in Shopify, here's how you're going to do it. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to the admin.shopify.com/store. And then from here, you can see your website or your store dashboard. You can see this left side options or menu. All you have to do is to click on this discounts option and then wait for it to load. Now from here, you can see all your discounts and promotions, and you can also manage it here. Since I don't have any discount options yet, let's click on create discount. And then as you can see, you have different discount types here. For example, we have this amount of products where discount specific products or collections of products are applied. You can also put discount on specific products or collections of products. And then you can also amount of the whole order, as in the total order amount. And then you can also offer a free shipping discount. So for this one, let's click the amount of products. But if you want, for example, to set up a buy one, get one discount, you just click on this buy X, get Y. For now, let's set up our amount of products and then click on that. As you can see, you have to fill out all of these options to set up the discount option. You can set up the discount code, or you can also have an automatic discount. So for this one, you have a shorter form that you have to fill out since it will automatically be filled out by Shopify for you. All you have to do is to put in a title. For example, let's put a title that says white t-shirt discount or summer sale discount instead. And then here you can see discount, the discount value section. You can choose among the option if you want a percentage or if you want to have a fixed amount. For example, you're going to put at least $10 discount for this product. You can choose on fixed amount. However, if you want only a 10% discount for the product, just hit on percentage. So for this one, I recommend percentage. And then let's say it's just 5% off this collection or product. You can apply this to specific collections or specific products. For example, I only have one product in my Shopify store. I can select specific product, but if that product is in a specific collection, for example, it's in a summer collection and it is there along with several other products like pants or shoes, then you can simply click on specific collection so that it would be a lot easier for you. But for this one, I'm just going to choose specific products. And then now I'm going to search products that I can make discount available to. Let's click on browse to browse all of our products. And as you can see here, I have my white or classic cotton t-shirt for men products. Now to add a discount value for this one, let's click on add. And then you can set up availability for this one. Like it can be applied to all the sales channel that you have except on point of sale. For this one, let's just leave this empty to not make this complicated. And then for the minimum purchase requirements, you can set up a minimum purchase requirement or a minimum purchase amount. So basically this one, all this means is that when a customer purchases a total amount value of, for example, $50, if you set up a minimum purchase amount, the customer would have to buy $50 worth of product before they can check it out or before this discount code will be applied. But if you set up a no minimum requirements, this value discount can be added anytime. Now let's just click on that, and then you can also put it in combinations, like you can combine it with order discounts or shipping discounts, like you can put this with free shipping or whatever. So I'm just going to leave it at that. And then you can also set up an active date. For example, since this is only a summer sale, we can set this up for like the whole summer only. For this one, I'm just going to leave it be and then click on save discount once you have checked all of your product settings. Now you can see your summer sale discount was created successfully. And now, if you wanted to activate this summer sale discount, all you have to do is to click on this to activate button and the summer sale discount will automatically be stopped. And that's it.